In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily fix Apple Wallet verification and adding card issues. If you've been having trouble adding your card to Apple Wallet, don't worry, we've got you covered with straightforward steps to solve these issues in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get your Apple Wallet working smoothly. First, it's crucial to ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection might be the reason you're facing difficulties with verification or adding cards. Double check that your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. Without this stable connection, any further troubleshooting might be futile. Next, make sure your iOS is up to date. Many issues can simply be due to an outdated operating system. Head over to your settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. You must have the latest version of iOS running, as updates often fix bugs and improve the performance of apps like Apple Wallet. After updating your iOS, the next step is to restart your iPhone. It's surprising how often a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches, including those affecting Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Just power off your device and turn it back on, giving it a fresh start. Another important aspect to check is your region settings. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Language and Region. Ensure your region supports Apple Pay, as this can directly affect the functionality of your Apple Wallet. Moving on, let's verify that your device is compatible. Apple Wallet and Apple Pay are supported from iPhone 6 and later models. If you're using an older device, it might not be compatible with these features, which could explain the verification issues. If your device is compatible, try re-adding your card. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon to add a new card. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to add your card details. At times your bank might require additional verification like an SMS or app confirmation. Be prepared to complete this step to ensure your card gets added successfully. In the rare case that none of these solutions work, you can reset all settings. Go to Settings, then General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then reset all settings. It's important to note that this will not delete your personal data, but it will reset preferences like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper to their defaults. This step should be your last resort. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome any issues with Apple Wallet verification and adding card problems. We hope this guide has been helpful and that your Apple Wallet is now functioning as it should. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching and happy using your Apple Wallet.